Welcome to Sumaya English Primary School, Class 6, and the subject is History. And the chapter is third, and the name of the chapter is the Harappan Civilization. Now, the first topic is Harappan Civilization. So, in 1921 CE, at Harappa in the Punjab, which is on the banks of river Ravi, there was an archaeological excavation. So, in this way, this civilization came to be known as the Harappan civilization, which is also known as Indus Valley civilization. This excavation also held on Mohenjo-daro, which is the place about 650 km to the south of Harappa, which is in the Indus Valley. In these two places, they have got the remains of structures and artifacts, and the same remains they have got in another places also, and the name is Dholvira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Ahmedabad, etc. So here is the picture. We can see the well of the Harappan civilization, how it is, and the next picture is the planning of houses also, how at that time they used to plan their houses. So in the Harappan civilization, the houses and their structures were built by baked bricks, and in many places unbaked bricks also there, and the stones are also used for construction. The houses also have rooms and wells, bathrooms and toilets. There was a very good drainage system which was baked with earthen. By seeing the public health, they have made covered drainage system also. So at that time, streets were very broad and in a grid pattern. It was in the grid pattern, and the houses were built in the rectangular blocks also. So at that time, the towns were divided into two or more sections, and each section was separated, and they were giving the facility and they were looking after by the each section. So in the Harappan civilization, there was a seals and the pots also. You can see the picture here. In the Harappan civilization, the seals were made up of stone, and it was in a square shaped, which was known as steatite. In the seals, there was a bear picture, and there was a real picture of animals also, like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers, etc. So in the seals, there was also a human figures. In that civilization, these seals were used as stamps. At the sites of Harappan civilization, they also found various types and the shapes of the earthen pots. There were so many patterns and the designs of the pots, like red terracotta pots, fish scales designs was also there, and the people leaves, etc. So now our next topic is the Great Bath. This Great Bath was discovered at the time of the Mohenjo-daro, and it is a very spacious bath. That means there was a tank in the Great Bath which was 2.5 meters deep and 12 meter long and 7 meter wide, and it was made up of baked bricks, and there was a steps towards the tank, and also there was a facility for draining, cleaning and refilling the tank from time to time. So this was a description about the Great Bath. Now we will see the life of the people of the Harappan civilization. The Harappan people were doing the agriculture, means they used to cultivate the land, and by excavating, when there was excavation, they provides evidence in the ploughed field at Kalibangan. the Harappan people used to grow different crops like wheat and barley. But in the Rajasthan, barley was grown in a very large scale, and while in Gujarat, ragi was grown. So some other crops was also there which was grown by that peoples like the peas, sesame, masoor. And the people also familiar with the cotton, that means they were also growing with the cotton. By the excavating, they indicates that the Harappan people used to weave the cloth at that time, and the dresses of the men and the women were with the knee length cloth. At that time their clothes style was till the knee length cloth, and they used to wear an upper garment. The Harappan people was doing the trading also. They were doing the trading within India or outside the countries. High quality cotton was very well known in the Indus Valley. Then this cotton was exported to other regions like West Asia, Southern Europe and Egypt. The cotton cloth was also exported, and also the traders of the Harappan civilization provided the muslin cloth. Muslin is one of the types of clothes. They were provided the muslin cloth to the Egypt people. But some other items were also imported. This was going exported. Exported means from our country we are giving the products. Now importing means we are also taking some other items from the imported like a silver, zinc, gemstones, rubies, deodar wood were imported from Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan and Balochistan. The trading was going on both the sides. By the land routes also they were doing the trading, and also by the sea routes. So for the trading a huge dockyard has been developed, because from there they were doing the trading. At the this dockyard was developed at the Lothal, and the trading was very also along with the coastline of the Arabian Sea. Means this trading was also going on with the coastline of the Arabian Sea. So here is the last topic of this chapter. We will see how the declination of the Harappan civilization. What was the reason for the decline? The decline of the Harappan civilization's reasons are like frequent floods, foreign tribes invention and decline in the trading also. So these was the reason for the declination of the Harappan civilization. Some other reasons was also there. It was the weakening of the monsoon, dry up the river basin, earthquakes and the changes in the sea level, and many more reasons was there for the declination of the Harappan people. And one more point is that people also started migrated to the other places because of the declining of the cities. So afterwards what happened, then they started flourishing as a urban civilization. Then in this way the Indian civilization was founded. So this was the reasons of the Harappan civilization, declination of the Harappan civilization. Thank you.